All right. Good morning, good afternoon to all my Barata and my Susay. All right. Welcome to my presentation in Global. Okay. So before I start, I would like to introduce myself. I'm one of your brothers in the house, Coach MJ, one of the international of AIM Global. So let me share you the how is a powerful, fast and growing business there in Papua New Guinea. All right, let's start. All you have to know is where you can work. Okay, you can do this part time if you have a job. Okay, you can do this full time if you don't have a job. You are the boss here in this business. No boss here. Okay? So does not require, okay? That's not require here degree. As long as you have a dreams, you are welcome here in a global. All right? And age qualification does not require. Experience also does not require. And overhead expenses does not require. You will not shoulder all kind of expenses like business permit, inventory, all that kind of problem is for our company shoulder. So the most important in this business, no headache. No headaches. Okay, now how to be part of AIM Global. All right, for you to be part of AIM Global, all you have to do just purchase our global package, which is 990 kina only. Okay, the question is, Coach MJ, what is the return of investment of 990 kina? All right, let's talk about the package inclusion. All right. Number one, we will give you products worth of 1,200 kina return of your investment. So the company give you 1,200 worth of products more than 100% upon your investment. All right. So this is the our option. You can choose the Wellness Global Package, the Angel E Global Package, and the Global Package which is C24/7. All right. So next, we will give you also 25% up to 30% lifetime discount for your next reorder of products. Therefore, you can do selling by getting benefits or profits. All right. Then we will provide you DTC or we call Distributor Tracking Center. That's what is we are giving you a username and password that you only one can access, monitor your business. All right, we will guide you about that, of course. So we will teach you step by step. Okay, next business kit we are providing as well for you to know more about background of the company, the marketing plan, the events of AIM Global, the activities. You all the information you can see in business kit. And pre-training online and offline. Because of the pandemic, we do online. Right now, like this is doing online. So we can teach you step by step through online. Still, we have communicate online. All right, we have to adapt the new normal. All right. So how to train our leaders or team online? So I suggest you have to download Zoom application for a lot of people who join to our training. For one-on-one training, you have to download WhatsApp because WhatsApp in PNG it's a good network or signal. Okay, because we experience that with many talking people in PNG, even province area that we are communicate with WhatsApp. All right, if you have a Zoom, it's good because this will are some example that communicate plenty people who join into our session, who join into our training. So I suggest download Zoom application. All right. Next, free scholarship that you can use in Philippine University. And last but not the least, cardiopart certificate for your checking your heart status. All right, this is the return of investment of your 990 kina. Good la, Tomas. Let's give a round of applause. Yes. Next, let's talk about the ways to earn. All right. Now, let's talk about ways to earn, how to do the business. We have retailing, we have direct referral bonus, we have a mass sales bonus, and also Unilevel, Step, and UPP with PMA. All together is working as one. Okay? But I'm going to explain to you the retailing, direct referral, and mass sales bonus. All right? Once you are registered, I will explain to you the Unilevel Step UPP with PMA. It's a more massive income. Okay? So now let's talk about the retailing. Retailing is selling products that you will enjoy up to 25 up to 50%. Like for example, one box of C24/7, all right, is selling to the non-member is 100 kina. If you are a member, is less 25%, so it's only avail 75 kina. So the profit is 25 kina. So example, you sold 10 boxes of C24/7. Multiply to profit of 25 kina, so you will earn 250 kina. All right? What if 2 weeks time you sold 20 boxes of C24/7? Multiply to 25 profits of it will be 500 ina that you can earn. All right? Good or good na Tomas. Wow. Next is what if 1 month time, 2 months time, let's say 3 months time, you sold 100 boxes of C24/7. Multiply to profit of 25 ina. So you earn 2,500 ina. Is that good? All right, let's give a round of applause. Next, what if 1 box only per day that you sold? All right, compute in 1 month, which is having 30 days, you're going to earn 750 kina. All right. So this is extra income, no quota. Okay, let's give a round of applause. Next, let's talk about the second ways to earn. We call direct referral bonus. Right? Direct referral bonus, for example, this is you. All you have to do is just invite your friends, family, workmate, classmate, neighbors, churchmate. Just introduce or refer them to me. Then I'm the one will explain the business. Or otherwise, share this link or this our presentation to them. The moment they join, the moment they purchase our global package under your name, automatically you will earn 100 kina each everyone. All right. For example, you invite here 5 people, and then I present the business to them. Again, you are a new member. Once you are a new member, don't explain to them the business. Let me explain first, because you don't know how to explain at the moment, because you are still learning, or you are a new. All right, so let me explain the business first. Then later on, you will explain the moment you learning the business a lot. All right, time will come, you will explain this, because I will teach you. So what if the 5 person that you invite and then they join, automatically you will earn 500 kina. And then what if 10 people that you invite and then they join, automatically 1,000 kina you will earn. What if 20 persons that you invite and then they join, automatically you will earn 2,000 kina. All right, give a round of applause. Next, let's talk about the third ways to earn that we call max sales bonus. Okay, max sales bonus, you will enjoy 120 kina. How is that work? Okay, for example, this is you. Okay, we have binary system, meaning our system is binary. When you say binary system, there is a left sales group, there is a right sales group. Okay, so for example, you have a friend A who joined under your name, and then we put on the left sales group. Automatically, that's what we call the direct referral. So how much you going to earn? 100 kina. Let's say friend B, we put on the right sales group, and then you are direct, that's your direct, automatically will earn another 100 kina. Now the system said, if you have one person on your left, one person on your right, that's what we call match. So you're going to earn bonus 120 kina. So guys, look at this. In two person, you earn total 320 kina. That's a very, very good business. Now let's talk about the friend A and friend B. Of course, they have two people also under their name and another two people under the friend B name. Okay, and of course, they are the one who present, who direct. Okay, the sponsor. Okay, so automatically the 100 kina directs goes to A and friend B, and of course they have also match, and then they get bonus as well, 120 kina. So friend A and friend B earn same what you earn. Okay, can you see there is a pair business? Did you see any cheating? Okay, so nothing means the business is very, very good. Now, this is the good news. Outside, no work, no pay. Meaning to say, if you absent to your job right now or tomorrow or the next day, company will not pay you. That's what we call no work, no pay. Am I correct? So here in AIM Global, no work, but company still pay you. How is that happen? As you can see, the friend A have two people and friend B have two people. The question is, do you know this four person? Did you present the business to this person? Are you the one who invite to this four person? Of course not. So now the system said, if you are the system said, if you have one person on your left, one person on the right, so that will be matched. So the system found out that you have one person on your left, one person on your right, match, company will pay you another bonus 120. And then another one person on the left, one person on the right, company will pay you another bonus 120. So meaning to say, you are not the one who invite, you don't know them, you did not present the business, but you still earn a money. All right, so you got 120 double, so total is 240. And then the total income is 560 kina. All right, let's give a round of applause. All right, what about? All right, what if you have 5 on your left, 5 on your right, match of 120 kina, you got 600 kina. All right. What if 10 people on your left, 10 people on your right, match of 120 kina? You will earn how much? 1,200 kina. Right. And then what if you have, time will come, 1 month, 2 months time, you have left 100 people, and then on your right, 100 people, match of 120 kina, you will earn 12,000 kina. Right. It's nice business, correct? So now let's talk about the advantage of multiple accounts. I want you to clear why so many people purchasing 3 accounts, 7 accounts, 15 accounts. Okay, let me share you the advantage of the multiple accounts. The multiple accounts in one account, 990 kina. In 3 accounts is 2,970 kina. Meaning to say times 3 of global package. In international builder package, which is 7 accounts, is 6,930 kina. Okay? The difference potential for one account is 1,920 kina per day, 13,440 per week, 53,000 per month. Okay? The 3 accounts, 5,760 per day, 40,000 per week, 161,000 per month. Okay, the 7 accounts, 13,440 per day, and then 94,000 per week, and 376,000 per month. Per day, per month. Okay? So what I'm trying to say, you will not earn this tomorrow if you are joined today. Okay? I'm not saying you will earn this tomorrow. What I'm trying to say is this kind of income, it's happened already. It's given already. It's working already. So it's a proven, okay? But before they earn this kind of amount, they really do hard work. Okay? What kind of hard work? They consistent doing the business. They really focus, commitment, 1 year time, 2 years time, at least 3 years time, they earn per day this kind of income. Can you imagine that, guys? When did you earn 1,920 per day in your entire life for the past year? 10 years ago, did you earn 1,920? No, correct? Now, this is the time to earn this kind of amount if you are serious. Okay? This is the opportunity that you have, that long time you are praying to the God that you need the business opportunity. So this is the time, guys. Let me help you, let me guide you, let me mentoring you, teach you how to do the business toward to success. All right, let's give a round of applause for that. Yes. It's me. Now let's talk about the 15 accounts maximum investment. Guys, sometimes I'm talking to, sometimes I have a guest which is business person or big time person that who are looking for big investment. All right, so I prepared the 15 accounts for them, or even though whoever who can afford the 15 accounts. Because what is this 15 accounts maximum investment? I suggest this is the best investment choice. Now, look at this. For the 15 accounts is 14,850 kina. It's a lot of money, yes. But check this out. You're still not doing the business after you register with 15 accounts, but you earn 3,440 kina already. Where you can find that kind of traditional business that after you invest, you will earn 3,440. Of course, here only in Global. Okay? And then next, the worth of products that we will give you in 15 accounts is about 18,000 kina. That is worth of products. So immediately return of your investment, 21,440 kina. Guys, did you invest 14,850 kina? But the company will return to you more than 100%, which is 21,440 kina. It's very powerful. I love this business. That's why I really enjoying, and I'm happy to do this business to share to everyone. All right, give a round of applause. Next. All right, let me share you some of my background. Okay, this is me, Coach MJ. Been to Dubai for 11 years, and I have a leaders as well, which is Africa. Okay, different part of Africa, and also what I'm doing here. Also, my latest activities before when I was in Dubai, Middle East, some part of Middle East as well, and some part in Africa, in Dubai side. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I always sharing the business. This that time is no pandemic, no COVID-19, so I can go to their places. All right. And not only that, I went to PNG as well. Okay, not only in Port Moresby, as I said, I went to uh, Maprik, Wewak, Rabaul, Cocopo. And good news, guys, after the pandemic, or if there's a chance that available flight going to Port Moresby, me and my leaders, or Emma or I will go. I will come back to PNG going to Kimbe and also Rabal, Cocopo, and Wewak, and Lay as well. All right. So I hope to see you there soon. But before that, I want you to join first so that let's create a big group first. Then before I come so that we have a group already in your particular place. All right. Not only that, see, this is our team in PNG. Those people, some is working on the government, Bulukundi House Department. Some of their PNG power, some of their teacher, soldier, businessman, a lot of people joining, not only the, you know, any kind of background is open and welcome to my team, right? And look at that. This is where that's what the place that I went to Maprik. I met a lot of Brad Baratas there. Okay, so this is what I doing presentation in Bewak and in Maprik. Right. So before I go back to Philippines, I met some of the leaders, new joiner who purchased 7 accounts, Sister Helen, and some of them. Okay, guys, when you wish good for the others, good things come back to you. All right, this is the law of the nature in our business, helping each other, going up to reach their goal, the successful. Right? You are the creator of your own destiny. All right? If you are not happy or you don't have money, you are the creator of, you are the one who created that. But if you have a money and you are happy right now, you are the one who created that. All right? So it's not your fault if you are born poor. But if you are die poor, that is your fault. All right. So I suggest this kind of business. Let's work together. Let's do this together. Let's serious this together, so that you, before you die, at least you are very, very successful, because you have a lot of money, successful, that for your future family, for your children, for your family, for your parents. All right. So next, before I end this is what I always saying before I end. Never stop trying. All right? Try the business. Try the opportunity, whatever comes. Never stop believing. Believe. Just believe to this company. Just believe to the opportunity, because before you join, of course, you are checking the background. But I believe this AIM Global 100% legitimate. Okay? Never give up, because I believe your day will come. All right. All right. This is what my favorite Bible said, Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plan I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a better future. All right. Amen. All right. With God and with Alliance in Motion Global, everything is possible.
Hello, hello.
Thank you so much for those people who are listening here. This is your coach, OMJ. To God be the glory, power.